Here's a new 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. The best way to harness lightning? Put it in an F-150. It's fully electric and ready to strike. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Driver selectable mode, 4-wheel drive, mirror-mounted spotlights, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Taylor Ford, we offer superior sales and service for our valued customers. Find us today at 13500 Telegraph Road in Taylor, Michigan.